Hi, I'm Dr. Joy Dubost, registered dietitian and spokesperson for the American Dietetic Association, and I'm here to provide some practical tips on food safety. Did you know 1 in 6 Americans get food poisoning every year? With some practical tips and guidance, we can actually reduce those numbers because nobody wants to get sick from eating good food. First off, when you enter the grocery store, you basically have a 2-hour window of opportunity to ensure that your meats are staying properly refrigerated. So the best way to ensure that you're staying within that 2 hours is pick your meat selection last. Make sure that's the last thing that would go into the basket. And that actually holds true for all cold products. You also, when picking meats, want to use the bags that are provided at the grocery store to separate those meats out. This will ensure that any juices that come from the package will stay in the bag and separate from any other items that are in your basket. We don't want the juices or bacteria that's in the meats to come in contact with food that's already been cooked. This is called cross-contamination. You also want to get a meat thermometer. A meat thermometer is great to use, especially when you're grilling out, because this will ensure that your meats are cooking to the proper temperature, which would be about 145 to 165 depending on the cut of meat. I would encourage you to go to www.homefoodsafety.org. You can learn what temperatures are right for what cuts of meat and more practical guidance so that you can ensure you're staying safe when you're eating wonderful food. Thanks for joining me.